Hey, to set up emergency call on your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, we've got actually two methods. I'm going to show you how to do this on the smartwatch, on this phone screen, because everything is bigger. So first of all, you have to open this Galaxy wearable application. Then you will have to scroll down and go for the watch settings. And when you are here, you'll have to start scrolling again, and you have to enter the safety and emergency. And as I said before, we've got two methods. The first one, we've got normal emergency SOS call. So we'll have to press the home button 5 times to call an emergency number. The home button is located right here at the top on the right side of the watch. And here we can find the emergency number to call. When I tap on it, I can actually change it from the list of available numbers, or I can even input the custom number. And the second way to turn on the emergency call, you can go for the emergency contacts. Now you can select something from your contacts on the phone, or you can create the contact. So now you can input the name, and below you can input this phone number, and then you can click save. And now as you can see, you've got send messages to, and that's basically it. So right now, please subscribe to my channel.